In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping rates in Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up shipping rates might seem a bit daunting at first, but I assure you, with the right guidance, it can be quite straightforward. So let's dive in. First off, you need to open Printful and sign in to your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to go through that registration process first. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you can see various options, but what we want to focus on right now is shipping. So look for the Guraki Stores option on the left-hand menu and click on it. After clicking on Stores, you'll see a list of all the stores you've connected to your Printful account. Now, select the store for which you want to set up the shipping rates. This will open up the settings specific to that store. Once you're in the store settings, look for an option that either says Shipping or Shipping Settings. The terminology might vary slightly depending on how your store is connected, but the goal is the same. Click on that option and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to shipping. Now this is where it gets interesting. On this new page, you'll see a variety of shipping methods and their respective rates available for your products. Printful usually offers a default set of shipping options, but you have the flexibility to customize these options based on your business needs. Spend a moment to review these shipping methods and think about what best fits your pricing strategy and your customers' needs. Once you've reviewed the available shipping methods, you can start selecting the ones you want to offer. Depending on your products, you might want to include standard shipping, express options, or even international shipping if your business caters to a global audience. Simply check the boxes next to the shipping methods that you want to make available to your customers. After you've made your selections, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a prominent Save button somewhere on the page, often located at the bottom. Click on that to keep your new settings. The last crucial step in this process is to check your connected store's checkout. You want to make sure that the shipping rates you configured are appearing correctly for your customers. To do this, you can either do a test order or navigate to your store's front end, add a product to the cart, and proceed to the checkout page. Make sure to view how the shipping options and rates are displayed there. If everything looks good, congratulations! You have successfully set up your shipping rates in Printful. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back to the shipping settings and make adjustments as necessary. It might take a bit of trial and error to find the perfect setup, but that's completely normal. And there you have it. Setting up shipping rates in Printful doesn't have to be a headache. With these steps, you're on your way to ensuring that your customers enjoy a smooth checkout experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. It helps me create more content like this for you. Thank you for tuning in and happy selling. Remember, your shipping strategy can greatly impact customer satisfaction and your overall business success, so take the time to fine-tune it to perfection.